Merry Christmas, everyone! This is everything I ate during our Christmas Noche Buena last night. So first is kare-kare. This is a combination of pork and beef kare-kare with creamy peanut butter sauce. I usually eat this, or we usually eat this with shrimp paste to add more flavor on it. And napakasarap, creamy, peanutty. There's no peanut. I don't know the word, but it's creamy and super delicious. And then, of course, ang aming chicken. This is honey butter chicken to pair with my kare-kare and rice also. And syempre, hindi mawawala ang spaghetti. Christmas will not be completed without Filipino spaghetti. So, rice, and then second, pasta, and then dessert. Sugar overload ang ginawa ko dito. So, first is yema cake. This is one of my favorite cake. Bukod dun sa mga mocha and caramel. This is so delicious. Kakain ulit ako mamaya, naalala ko. And syempre, hindi sapat ang isa lang cake. Mag-mocha cake ulit tayo. So, ayun. So, for this Christmas Eve, we decided to have more desserts than ulam. Kasi nga, mas na-enjoy namin yung kumain kami ng matatamis during Christmas Eve. Sana nga makakarating pa ako hanggang buko salad at ice cream. Pero hanggang dito na lang tayo sa coffee jelly at busog na ako. I cannot take it anymore. Thank you again and Merry Christmas, everyone!